Copper, renowned for its electrical and thermal conductivity, is a staple in industries ranging from electronics to healthcare.
Welcome to another video with us here at Design to Product Limited. Let's all learn about copper's unique properties and its demand for a nuanced approach in CNC machining.
Success in CNC machining copper hinges on understanding its behavior. Copper softness requires specific tooling and machining parameters to prevent deformation. Its tendency to work harden calls for careful control of machining speed and feed rate.
Techniques such as maintaining sharp tool edges and optimizing coolant use are critical to manage heat and ensure the quality of the finished product.
Through meticulous planning and execution, CNC machining unlocks copper's full potential, crafting components essential for technological advancement and human health.
Discover the precision of CNC machining with copper. For your next project, consider this versatile material's unmatched capabilities and benefits. For a comprehensive guide on CNC machining with copper, you can book a meeting with us through the Calendly link listed on this video.
And for more detailed assistance on CNC machining, or to get a fast quote, including delivery to your non-sanctioned country, you can send your STP, PDF files, and quantities to team@d2pcnc.com.
Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.